Good morning, students. Welcome in your English online class. Today we are together to do exercise number 18.11 relates to the topic past continuous tense, and it is given at page number 98 in your book of Bravia. So let us continue with the exercise. In this exercise, we have to fill in the blanks with the help of these verbs given in the bracket by making use of past continuous tense. Students, before starting the exercise, let us recapitulate that what do we use in past continuous tense. We use was, were plus first form of the verb plus ing, and the use of was were depends upon the subject, whether it is singular or plural. With singular ones we go with was, and with plurals we go with were. So let us start the exercise. When I reached the station, the train dash in bracket the verb is given steam, the train. Now the subject is singular, so we will go with the train. We will write here because we are having less space to write. The train was steaming in. Next is, we left the party because we dash late. In bracket we are having option get. We were getting late because the subject is plural, so we will go with were. We were getting late. At number 3, when I entered the office, कहते हैं जब मैं ऑफिस में एंटर मैंने किया था, the clerk dash to someone on phone. तो क्लार्क क्या कर रहे थे? टॉक. इन ब्रैकेट द वर्ब इज गिवन टॉक, सो क्लार्क इज द सिंगुलर pronoun here, so we will go with was. The clerk was talking फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing, बिकॉज जब उन्होंने एंटर किया था तो क्लार्क बात कर रहे थे. द प्रोसेस दैट वॉज गोइंग इन कॉन्टिन्यूस इन पास्ट, so we will use was were first form plus ing. The action was in continuing. Next is, I am sure she dash a lie, not tell. Now the sentence is negative. I am sure she was not telling a lie. Next is, some bearers dash coffee to everyone. Some bearers serve. Now plural subject is there, so we will go with were serving. Some bearers were serving coffee to everyone. At number 6, the thief dashed to escape through the window when I caught him from behind. Try. The thief was trying. The thief was trying, as the subject is singular. The thief was trying. क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा था चोर? He was trying to escape through the window. विंडो से भागने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Next is, dash you dash to make me a fool. Try. Now the subject is plural. You with they are plural subjects, so we go were. Were you trying to make me fool? Make me a fool. क्या तुम मुझे एक मूर्ख बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे? When I first met her, she dash in a small school. Study. She was studying in a small school. Next is, it dash late, so they left. Get. It was getting late It was getting late. कहता है देर हो रही थी. So they left. इसलिए वो चले गए थे. Dash he dash madam, not lie. Now the subject is singular. So what do we do? Was or were? Of course, was. Was he not? Was he not lying, ma'am? That's number 11. Mother dash to someone over the telephone. In bracket, talk verb is given, action word is talk. Mother was talking to someone over the telephone. Student, this tense is quite easy. You have to only take care of the proper use of was and were by keeping in mind the singulars as well as the plural one of the subject. He was nervous as he dashed to explain the reason of his absence, trying to explain the reason of his absence. At number 13, they dashed to leave this company after the accident. Plan. They were planning to leave this company after the accident. He dashed at a breakneck speed. Drive. He was driving at a breakneck speed. She dashed to persuade me but failed. Try. The meaning of persuade is trying hard to make someone agree. She was trying, बहुत मनाने की किसी को कोशिश करना. She was trying to persuade me but failed. He dashed anywhere as we thought. He was not going anywhere as we thought. My brother dashed the window pane, not break. My brother was not breaking the window pane. So class, this was your exercise number 18.11. I hope it is quite clear to you. Thank you, students. Try to do it by your own. Good.